Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a 3D lock screen on Apple iPad Pro M5. Okay, so first we need to open up the menu. Let me turn off the screen and then turn it on. Now simply hold on your lock screen, type your passcode if you have one, and now let's add a new lock screen. Let's slide to the right side, click on that plus button. And in my case, I'll show you how the effect that I'm about to get based on one of my photos from the gallery. Click on all to see your whole gallery, and for example, I will use that photo as my lock screen. And now, if you want to use that cool 3D effect, all you need to do is to click on that icon, generating spatial scene, as you can see. Now click on Add. We can set it as a wallpaper pair, for example. Okay, click on it, and now you can see that we have this cool 3D effect when I'm moving the phone, the tab actually, sorry. You can see when I'm moving left or right that this spatial scene gave that cool 3D effect. So that's how it looks. But remember that it consumes more battery than a normal lock screen, but it looks really cool. And I highly recommend trying it on your own. You can also even see that the clock is in 3D. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.